Hey guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a 4-step cylindrical infographics in this PowerPoint. As you can see here, this is the 3D infographics, and I have tried to make it more attractive and engaging. As you can see here, I have fixed the bottom of all cylinder, but the upper part, means the white part, is fluctuating and representing the different percentage of data. At the bottom side, you can see the shadow effect over each cylinder, and below the shadow, you can see the related data of that particular cylinder. At the background, I have used a sky blue, light blue color for the background. So this is all about this particular slide. So without wasting any further time guys, let's get started. So click on insert option. Here you will find new slide option. Click on that and choose a blank slide over here. After choosing the blank slide, I'm going to copy the color sample from the previous slide and paste it over the new slide so that I can use this color sample to make the cylinder. Now what I'm going to do, I will choose the shape option. Inside the shape option, you will find a cylinder option over here, can option over here, sorry. So choose this can option and drag a can like this. Okay. Now make it no outline by pressing the no outline option over here. And now let me see, we have to make it more curve at the bottom. To do that, you have a yellow dot over the shape. So you just have to move it downward and upward to make it more rounded or straightward at the bottom. So we want to make it more rounded like this much. Let me take the reference of the previous slides. Okay, this much is better. You can make it more rounded like this much. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I will increase the height like this. This much is good. Okay. Now press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy of this cylinder and click on format option and choose any random color for now. Okay, before moving further, I just want to format the background of this slide to the different color from the white. So I'm going to choose a solid color, and solid color I'm going to choose this color. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I will choose the white color for this yellow shape. So I'm going to choose a white color from here and put this over here, over the previous slide. One thing you have to keep in your mind, that I'm not going to use a solid color for this. I'm going to use a gradient color for this. So to use the gradient color, what I'm going to use, I will set the preset. I will not make any changes with the present gradient, but the type should be linear. So I'm going to make it linear from the radial, and the direction should be left to right like this. Okay. Now put this slide over here and click here to add one more head. And for this head, I'm going to use which color? I'm going to use this same gray color for the right head. Now you can see here, right and the left side of this cylinder, upper white cylinder, is looking gray and the middle part is looking white, because at the middle part I have used a white color. Hope you will get it guys. Okay. And now after doing this, what I'm going to do, I will going to click on insert option, choose a oval shape option from there and drag an oval like this. Let me make it zoom so that you can see it clearly guys, what I'm trying to make it. So click on this shape and make it no outline like this and put it over the created shape to overlap the top of the shape. So I'm going to do it like this. Okay guys, and now I will fill it with the gradient color. Now the same gradient color is applied, but we want only two handles, so I'm going to delete the leftmost handle, or you can see delete the rightmost handle. Let me take the reference of the previous slide. So it will, as you can see here at the previous slide, here is the darker color and the topmost is the lighter color, lighter white color. So I'm going to use the same. I'll put it over here and change the angle. As you change the angle and put it 90 degree, then you can find that at the bottom you will get a darker color, at the top you will get a lighter color. Okay, now zoom out from here and look how it's looking like. It's looking better than before. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I will copy this text from the previous slide, pressing Ctrl C. Before doing that, what I'm going to do, I will fill it with a color. Here at the bottom side, you also have to use the gradient fill effect. And now for the gradient, you have to use three dots, three handle over here. For the first handle, what color I'm going to use? I will use this color. Again for the second handle, I'm going to use this color. And for the third handle, what I'm going to use? Again this color. But this time for the third handle, I'm going to use some lighter color. So I'm going to drag this arrow to the upward so that I can get a lighter color. But the direction should be this one. Now you can see the effect over here and compare the effect from here. If you compare, then you will find that this color should be more lighter. So I'm going to use some more lighter color like this one. And now I'm going to use same handles over here, one more handle like this, and put it over here. Now it's looking perfect, guys. Okay. So after doing this, what I'm going to do, I will copy all the text from the previous slide and explain. Don't worry, I will explain the type of the text which I am using in this slide. So please don't worry, guys. Press Ctrl C and put it over here on this slide. Okay. So info data should be at the left side. Let me make it bigger. This and this we have to group it like this and put it over here. Before doing that, what I'm going to do, I will provide a shadow effect to the bottom shape. So I'm going to, not a shadow effect, I'm going to use the reflection effect, guys. So I'm going to use this reflection effect over here, but the distance is perfect, but the size should be less. So I'm going to make a smaller size like this, and I'm going to increase the blur to something 320. Okay. Now I will shift the info data text something below like this. Okay. This 35% should be in the center of the white part, white cylinder. And now one more thing you have to add this oval shape over here. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I will click on insert option, or you can copy this oval shape, duplicate this and fill it with this color, rotate it to the right and make it smaller like this, put it over here. Okay, press Ctrl S to save it. And now I'm going to select all these shapes and press Ctrl G to make a group and put it over here like this. Press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy and put it over here. Again press Ctrl D and Ctrl D 4 times to make a 4 copy of these shapes. Now what I'm going to do, I will slightly zoom out from here so that we can see the whole slide over here, and put this slide like I'm going to put it over here. Okay. Now what you have to do, you just have to shift it to the up and downs to make the fluctuations in white part height. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I will first put it over here. Okay, make zoom and put the shape over here. Okay, that's fine. Now again I'm going to put it over here and put the shape over here. Okay, so now zoom out. Put the shape something here and put it this shape over here. Okay, that's done, guys. So you can increase the height as per your need, guys. As you can see in the previous slide, the third one is shorter than the previous one, but in this slide I have made the third one greater than the previous one. So it's up to you what kind of changes you want to make in height. As per your project requirement, this will depend. Okay, guys. So for this shape, what I'm going to use, I will again use for the right handle, I'm going to use this color. For the left handle, I'm again going to use the same color. For this handle, same color. For this handle, same color. Means all the handles are filled with the same color, but a little variation we have to make. The centered two handles will be the lighter. So I'm going to click on the handles, center handle, and choose more color option and drag this arrow something here to make it lighter like this. Now for this handle, we have got a samples already over here which I have recently used. As you can see, recent color. So I will directly use this color from here. Okay, it's fine. Now for this shape, what I'm going to use for this, I'm going to use this color. For the left, I'm going to use the same color. This I'm going to use the same color, but for this I will choose the more color option so that I can make it more lighter and press OK. And for this shape, I will use this color which comes under the recent color. Now for this color, this shape, this bottom, I'm going to use this color. For this, I'm again going to use the same color. For this, I'm again going to use the same color, but the lighter version of this color I will use. So I'm going to use the more color option over here and drag this to here. Press OK. Now for this, what I'm going to use, I will use this color. So this is how it's look like. You just have to make changes. Like I'm going to make it 65, I'm going to make it 95, and I'm going to make it 85. Okay, the final thing you have to do in this slide. Okay, one more thing. Let me discuss the type of the text I'm using in this presentation, or you can say the infographics. So the info data, what I'm using, Swiss 721 BT and the size is 14. But for the detailed text, I'm using Calibri Buddy and the size is 11. And here for the info data, I'm using the same font style, Swiss 721 BT and the size is 14. Now the final thing we have to make, guys, we have to use the icons over here. So I have downloaded these icons from the flaticon.com and make some changes through the Photoshop. I have changed the color, gray color from the Photoshop. So I'm also going to provide you these 4 icons so that you also can use it in your project, guys. So I'll put it over here, put this over here, put this over here, put this over here, and put this over here. Now you can see our infographics is ready now. This is the previous one, and this I have created right now. So this is how you can create it very easily, guys, in PowerPoint. So if you have any query, guys, then please don't forget to write me on my WhatsApp number, which is 6205273394. So this is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me anytime, anywhere. I will just try to reply as soon as possible, guys. If you really like this tutorial, then don't forget to subscribe this channel, and don't forget to share the videos to your friends and family. Like the videos, share the videos. And one more thing, the main thing is I'm going to provide you the download link of this free template in the description box. So you go there and download it from there and use it in your project without any cost. One more thing, you can contact me for the professional PowerPoint slide creation and related work, guys. So my email ID is Singvikas. You will find my email ID at the description box. So go there and write me on my mail. So that's all for today, guys. See you in the next tutorial. And till now, bye bye, and thank you very much for watching.